I was planning this trip to the seacoast the first time with a car. I was doing the window covers. I was ordering from an online shop the tent and as well as soup for me. And I was so excited because they said that the package will arrive today. And actually the package arrived, but the store made a big mistake. So I got a small package, like less than 2 kilos package, instead of 22 kilos big package with the tent and the soup. And I was so disappointed that I didn't know if I should cry or I should laugh or whatever, but I just said, okay, the universe is telling me maybe not to go to this trip. Anyways, I decided to go to another shop, to a real shop, just buy a tent and a soup. I already checked everything online, then I got to the shop, took the tent, paid, and that's it. So today I need to do the packing process. I need to put everything into the car and then just tomorrow finally leave from home. Hi everyone, so this was a short intro what went wrong before I even started the car camping trip. But now let's pack and put everything inside of the car, what I think I will need for the trip. And it turned out I maybe packed too many things as the car is fully packed. So my ride to the seacoast started. I'm on my way and I'm super excited how it will be. I have 40 minutes left till I reach the destination, so the campsite which I will be staying in. I had some rain actually. I just hope that now everything will be fine as soon as I get there and that I can set up my tent and everything without rain, that I get a really nice spot. So yeah, let's see. As soon as I arrived at the campsite, I needed to walk through the whole campsite to find the perfect pitch. And yay! I found it! First things first, the ground sheet. I always put a ground sheet when we are camping, and this time I have to do it as well. This is my tent which I bought in Decathlon, and I will leave a link to it in the description below. At first, I wanted a tent that could be attached directly to the car, but that package never arrived. So now I will see how this one works out and if it's useful for car camping. The setup of it's super easy and fast because there are only 2 poles and I think it looks great. Now let's unpack all the other stuff from the car, as I need to make room for my bed. Yes, I really packed a lot of stuff. Here is our Brunner's kitchen again, which I still think is just perfect for camping trips and cooking outside. The setup is quick and easy, and I even made a cover at home so that if it rains, I can just cover it and don't need to move it into the tent. And now, the second round of unfolding things from the car. Here are my window covers, which honestly cost me a few gray hairs. Let's test them out. They fit well, and I hope they will do their job and cover everything nicely. For the bed, I took a mattress from our RV Dimitri. It's really comfy and it fits perfectly into the car. The tent is still a total mess, so let's start organizing my clothes and other personal essentials. I bought a hanging closet organizer and I think it's just great. I packed most of my clothes in it already at home, so now I just need to hang it. I also organized the rest of my things so they are out of the way and easy to find. This is how everything looks now. And in the meantime, it got dark and a thunderstorm is coming. Good morning. The first night in the car was okay.
I survived. There was a storm last night, but it was not that heavy here in the campsite, so everything's fine. I'm okay. I slept. Let's say it was a bit challenging because it was anyways raining, and the drum beat on the roof was interesting. But yeah, it was okay, and I'm fine. So here is my setup. It's not that bright inside anyway, so the covers are working well. In the middle of the night, I was as well checking the tent if everything's okay inside, and it was, so I hope that it will be as well now. So right now I will be going to start my day.
At first, it seemed like it would be a nice day, but the weather turned. It started to rain again, and the wind picked up too. After visiting the bathroom, I went into the tent to check if everything was okay. At first glance, it looked good, and the tent seemed sturdy. But then I noticed some water on the floor. I realized I haven't closed one of the zippers properly. Lesson learned. Time to wipe it up. After that little adventure, let's prepare breakfast and, of course, coffee. Since it's raining, I'm really glad I bought a tent where I can stand and have lots of space. Staying in the car would have been a bit too tight. If you would like to see how the next days of my camping trip go, please hit the subscribe button and check out my next videos. Happy camping, everyone!